a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You will need 2 pieces of bread, jelly, peanut butter, bread knife, and a plate. Place the 2 pieces of bread on the toaster. After that, spread 1 piece of jelly and 1 piece with peanut butter on the bread. This is how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, you need 2 pieces of bread, jelly, peanut butter, bread knife, and a plate. Place the 2 pieces of bread in the toaster. After that, then turn on the toaster up to 4 minutes. Then take out the bread out of the toaster on the plate. After that, spread 1 piece of bread with jelly using the knife. And 1 piece of bread with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter using the knife as well. Finally, stack the 2 pieces of bread together and enjoy.